That's the leadsman calling out the depth markings so we can avoid running aground.
Today's visit begins aboard the Mark Twain riverboat, where brand new theming has begun to emerge beyond those trees over there.
Here on the mighty Mississippi, heading south and ending up down in New Orleans.
Because of the scaffolding that finally came down from the top levels on the Adventureland Treehouse. Nearly completed atop this structure are both the astronomy and organ rooms. Fresh stairs and railings are also visible. With everything finally coming together, a summer reopening date could be possible for this attraction. Nearby, yours truly noticed a familiar character over at his usual location here in Frontierland. It's great to see Miguel still doing meet and greets after Magic Happens' return. Big Thunder Mountain Railroad was under a brief refurbishment at that time too. But reopened on April 13th. On the planet Batu, Din Djarin was making his way through the marketplace here in Galaxy's Edge.
Move aside.
Good to see that Mando is still as popular as ever.
That's all right. Not many do.
It was recently announced at Star Wars Celebration in London
Farewell now.
You can ask him nicely.
that more characters from upcoming Disney Plus shows
On the run?
will be arriving in the near future.
Good. I'm not in the mood for a takedown.
It was also announced that new destinations for Star Tours are going to be added sometime next year.
Come forward.
Construction walls have recently appeared in front of Avengers headquarters. Rumored to be the beginnings of a brand new store in this section of the park. Also fueling speculation that an Avengers attraction could finally be happening. Two different versions of which were proposed at previous D23 expos thus far. Recently announced up on the Disney Parks blog that June 30th is the official opening date for Rogers the Musical here at the Hyperion Theater. This 30-minute show will feature Star Spangled Man from Captain America, the First Avenger, and Save the City from the Disney Plus series Hawkeye. The mezzanine, balcony, and orchestra signs were recently placed back in this queue. with the remainder currently being prepped for this limited time run. In the former Pacific Wharf area is another project that's really making progress, where the construction walls around the bridge have come down. Various San Francisco signage and other Japanese characters are being installed to better reflect this Big Hero 6 theme. The old Pacific War sign is still above the bridge itself, but should be replaced sometime in the near future. Not long ago, I spotted Imagineers painting these alternates. Upon the buildings above the bay. With water now back in the bay as well, Grizzly River Run was able to reopen back on March 17th. I totally forgot that the voice of Ranger Woodlore was added to this attraction after its 2019 refurbishment.
Attention, rafters! It appears you've hit a stretch of snow wire. Now please stay seated. You'll be on your way again in just a moment. Thank you.
The Disney Parks blog officially announced that May 31st is the closing date for Disneyland Splash Mountain. This reimagined attraction will feature dozens of new animatronics, with Mama Odie being one catalyst in particular. Voiced again by legendary actress Jennifer Lewis. And the rest of the cast are reprising their roles too. This musical adventure will also have new original music alongside favorites from the original film.
That's just where you're going.
Plus, the set of beignets will be part of this attraction's queue. All of which I'm definitely looking forward to when it opens later next year. So, the next time you take your own final ride on a closing attraction, be sure to do that during your next visit to the resort.
But I didn't feel